Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.